Heard about e-commerce but don't know how to start? I'm going to show you how to start in e-commerce in this video. Let's go. Hey guys, Sam here from Ecommerce.com, and today I'm going to show you how to get started in e-commerce. Basically, what's the path you need to get started and to have success in this business model. If you're new here, I make tutorials on how to grow your e-com store. Over the last few years, I've sold over $12 million worth of products, and I'm going to show you how to do it all here on this channel for free. Okay, so what do you need to do to start? Number one is to start learning. Yep, and at the start, this is a bit hard as you're getting introduced to this whole world of e-commerce. My channel has a ton of information to help you learn e-commerce, but there's also other forums out there and blogs that you can check out. You'll need to learn how to build a website, find great products, how to listen to your customers and solve their problems, how to fulfill those products, how to get reviews for your products from your customers, how to get quality traffic to your website, like through paid ads, Facebook, Google ads, Bing, how to expand your brand into new areas, and how to hire people to help you run your e-com store so you're not doing every single part. Man, there's so much stuff to learn here. And honestly, I'm so excited for you. You have a really fun adventure ahead of you as you learn this stuff. To me, it's kind of like starting a new computer game where everything is so fresh and you're about to embark on this big adventure. That's you right now, and this whole world of e-com is really exciting. And if you're like me, you'll find it very fascinating and you'll start getting addicted and you'll want to learn every single little part. I just caution you, be very, very careful. There are a lot of gurus and scammers out there that actually have no interest in helping you. They just want to sell you an overpriced course and to take all your money. This e-commerce space is full of them, and now that you've started looking into e-commerce, you're going to start getting a lot of ads from these gurus. Be very careful. Be very aware. How do you tell the difference between someone that's worth listening to and someone that's just trying to take your money and run? Look to see if they are giving you value. Are they just targeting you with ads, putting you in a webinar, and pitching you on their course? For me, I'm not selling you anything here on my YouTube channel. One day, maybe I'll make a course, but it will only be after I've given so much away, I really understand my customers, and I can make a course that's better than every single course out there. So why do I make these videos? Well, I have a marketing agency that works with e-com stores, but only when they're really big. I don't work with beginners that are in e-com, but I know that if I help enough people out there, then there's going to be more professional e-com store owners, and they're going to need someone to help them with their Google and Facebook ads. So really guys, it's in my absolute best interest to help you out there, because the more people I help, the more beginners that I help grow their store, in 6 to 12 months, they're gonna grow their store to 6 or 7 figures, and they're gonna go, oh, I really need someone to help me run my ad campaigns. Well, at that point, we've helped them so much. They trust us, they know that we know our stuff, we know what we're doing here. So there's a chance that they might say, oh, yeah, Ecommerce, maybe you guys can work with us. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. So yeah, I really recommend you hold off on buying that $5,000 ecom course until you can actually verify that that person knows what they're talking about and other students have given it a good review. They've had great results from that course. Okay, so you have a lot of learning here to do. How long does this take? Well, usually it takes about 1 to 3 months of really absorbing this stuff. The thing is, don't get stuck in this learning phase. Yes, we're always learning and growing our knowledge, but we want to take action as soon as we can. You want to start working on your store as soon as possible so you can put that knowledge into action. The worst place to be is what's called analysis paralysis. This is where you get so obsessed about learning and perfecting that knowledge that you never actually start. You might have a fear of failure, a fear of success, and just a fear of starting because you're not 100% sure that what you're about to create is actually going to be successful. If you do this, you're never going to launch, and in 1 year from now, you'll be in the same space that you are now. All that knowledge in your head is worth nothing unless you actually use it. So create your store and get that first sale. That's your first goal. Forget all the money you want to make. One sale. That's the goal. Once you have that one sale, you have proven that your store adds value to the world and you are helping people. The first sale is the hardest, and after that, it's just gonna grow. So after that first sale, you keep learning and finding how to get your second sale, your third, fourth, fifth. It's an iterative process where you keep working on your traffic, your store, optimizing and getting better traffic. So yeah, this is one of the hardest things about growing your store is getting the right traffic. I recommend really getting amongst your target market and finding out where they hang out. YouTube, Facebook groups, forums, there are a lot of places you can go to find your target market, understand them before you even start running ads. But ads are also amazing because you can test and fail fast. You can see if it's gonna work, but it's gonna cost and it requires skill to run these ad campaigns. Anyway, guys, that gives you a bit of a path to get started in e-commerce. Go through my videos, guys. I make a lot of videos on how to grow your e-commerce store, all the different parts of the store that you need to have in place to make sure it's successful. Not just the traffic, not just finding your target market, but everything, including collecting reviews from customers, fulfilling your products, all that sort of stuff. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. Don't buy a course that you don't need. Check out my playlist. I keep things really organized and easy to go through. I'll leave some more links in the description to those playlists so you can go through and learn how to set up your Google Ads campaigns, how to set up Facebook campaigns, how to set up your email marketing flows to help people that have abandoned cart and get them back into your store and purchasing your products. I also have a beginner's playlist that has everything that you should go through right now. I'll leave a link to that in the description right at the top. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions at all about what I've talked about today, leave a comment below. I'll answer it as quick as I can. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That tells YouTube that I'm making helpful content out there for my audience. And if you want to learn more about growing your e-com store, consider subscribing. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.